In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app that's already on your device. When you find it, click on it. Then select this gear icon at the top and adjust all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back and click on this button at the bottom to start recording. If you never used Recorder before, hit while using and allow in all available pop-ups. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom, or click on those three dots at the top right corner to access those. Like for example, rename. To get rid of any recording, you can click on it on the list and access the same three dots. Or you can hold it here under recordings and use all of those, in this case delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!